Dates, this little thing is full of fiber. It's a natural sweetener and it's packed full of antioxidants. Pair it with this, the fig. I'm using dry figs right now because I don't think it's fig season right now, so this is kind of what I found. Figs are packed with antioxidants, minerals as well, and it's also got a lot of fiber. Bring these two together and you instantly get a mineral-rich, fiber-rich, nourishing drink for yourself. It's so easy to make. I started by soaking my figs in water for about 15 minutes just to rehydrate them. You then want to pour that water out and just give them a good wash and then add them to your blender. Next in goes dates. Guys, don't forget to remove the seeds. I know it sounds obvious, but I have to mention this because you can break your blender. I then added a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 2 cups of whole milk. Now, if you want to make a dairy-free option, guys, you can add coconut milk or almond milk. It's totally fine, and I feel it tastes even better with coconut milk, in my humble opinion. Close it up, and you want to blend this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes on your maximum setting, just to make sure that all the big chunks break down. And to also add to the strength of it, just to also ensure that most of my chunks break, I like to pulse it a few times. You can strain this mixture if you want, but I highly recommend against it because you want the maximum benefits of the fiber, guys. Our bodies need fiber, so please try and drink it as is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you saw how easy it is to make this mineral-rich, full of antioxidants, nourishing powerhouse. See you guys next time. Bye.